Hello, welcome to Story Time. Today we're reading Take a Hike, Miles and Spike by Travis Foster and Ethan Long. Take care, grizzly bear. Stay loose, moose. Bye-bye, butterfly. Ta-ta for now, cow. Cheerio, crow. Smell you soon, raccoon. Peace out, rainbow trout. We're out of here, dear. Can't stay, blue jay. In a shake, rattlesnake. Goodbye, dragonfly. Farewell, gazelle. Gotta go, buffalo. Clear the water, otter. Take a hike, Miles and Spike. We acted dumb, chum. Let's try again then. Wanna go, buffalo? Let's head out, rainbow trout. Let's vamoose, moose. Join the fun, everyone. Are we there yet, marmoset? What's a marmoset? The end.